All right, I'm back, and it is not an hour and a half. It is the next day, and it's actually New Year's Day. So happy New Year, everybody. Anyways, look at that. That's pretty good. It sat there for a day, then I cleaned it off, and then I sprayed it again, and just wiped it down, and I sprayed it again and wiped it down, and that's the results of oven cleaner. Put a plug for this. Easy off, heavy duty oven cleaner. Stuff works pretty good. I mean, it used to look like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them that way, but this video is not for that. We're going to go ahead and work on the heads. All right, here's the first head. I think it's the right one. I don't know. Anyways, there's it sheared off, so we can't get a hold of it. And there's the other one, sheared off, can't get a hold of it. And I got it from the junkyard this way. I didn't do them. Not claiming responsibility for that. But we're going to try it a couple ways. You know, I've seen 1,000 ways to do it. Not really 1,000, but a couple ways to do it on the internet. And there's a bunch of videos out there, but I'm going to go ahead and do this because I'm here and I can. So, you know, you can use a welder and weld some, keep building on it, putting material on there, and then using vice grips and pulling or twisting it off on that. Or you can drill. I went to Harbor Freight, and you can drill in there and put a wide enough drill, and I think it's called an easy out, and try it that way. You pound it in a little bit and then turn it counterclockwise, and it should come out, hopefully. I would suggest pre-soaking everything in PB Blast. So, and also I got a screw remover set, so we're going to try that as well. Got it from Harbor Freight and see what happens. All right, first up we're going to try and drill out a hole, and then we can put the I'll call it an easy out, I don't know, and try that. Also then I'll go to the extraction. But if you're just using a drill, start small and work your way up. It'll be easier that way, and go slow. This is what I did. I used the, where's it at? To start this whole thing, I used a center punch, popped a little hole, or actually a divot, so I can use the drill bits to drill in there. This is the first one I used, and I switched up to the next size up, so my easy out would work. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it right now and see what we can do. All right, I know I skipped a lot, but let me show you what I did and didn't do. I didn't get this one out. That's, I just started building material on there with the welder. I broke my, what is it called? I called it an easy out. I broke the other one. It snapped in two. You pound it in there, you turn it, it's supposed to come out. I guess the bolt's actually really hard to get out. So I kind of halted production on that because there's the nut that I tried to put on there and it just snapped right off. So I went over here and started doing this one, the same thing. Welded a little bit of material, put the nut over it, and then filled it in And I came up with that. And this one seems to be working slowly. So let's look at that. Oh, there you have it. Came out. So I had to use the welding method because the other methods didn't work and it sucked. But it didn't damage the block or the head or anything. So bonus. All right, let's move on to the other one. All right, let's try this one. And it came off again. So we're gonna have to work on that one. Let me try and fix it and then I'll get back to you. All right, you got the bolt on there. It was sticking out a little bit, so it was easier to weld on the nut. And just get yourself the wrench. Just slowly turn it. I'm not going to say that was easy, because I've been here for like an hour already. But yeah, this is the way it worked for me tonight. So hey, we can move on. But that's all I got right now. I got to do the other one. I'm letting it cool down. Then I'm going to turn it slow. But once that's done, this head is ready for take it over to the machine shop to get a good bath. All right, that's all I got right now. I got to wrap this up and take it over to the machine shop. So I will get back to you when I have more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Alien Restomod Garage.